Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. This is a message for you and a reminder for myself. The last few days of Ramadan is remaining. The question is, are we making the most of our Quran recitation? Are we making the most of our fasting, doing good deeds, spending in charity, feeding the poor, and all these things? So there's a beautiful hadith of the Prophet ﷺ who says that fasting and the Quran will intercede for a person on the day of resurrection. Fasting will say, "Oh Lord, I kept him from his food and desires during the day. Let me intercede for him." And the Quran will say, "I kept him from sleeping during the night. Let me intercede for him." And they will be allowed to intercede. So let's be amongst those people where the Quran and the fasting will intercede for us rather than against us. Assalamu alaikum.